What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Evan and I make videos about hot stocks, dividends, and options. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now you can see today we have Virgin Galactic pulled up. Now I made a video on them a while back and that video did pretty well, but I haven't had a lot of people making suggestions for different companies to cover. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments because I'm open to covering any companies you guys want me to. But in this video, we're going to go over why Virgin Galactic is up so much right now and whether they're a potential buy right now or if you should hold off and wait to buy in later. So you can see from the chart here, Virgin Galactic is up over 6% today. And in the 1 week chart, they're up almost 11%, which is pretty huge. And in the past month, they're up 34%. So one thing that concerns investors, and I understand why this would concern them, is that buying into Virgin Galactic is kind of shaky right now. So investors are worried that if they buy in, that Virgin Galactic could drop as quick as it went up. So if we look at the 3-month chart that I have pulled up here, you can see in a matter of 2 weeks, Virgin Galactic went from $16 up to $27. And then about 2 weeks after they hit that high, they dropped back down to $18. So this is definitely a valid concern if you're investing in Virgin Galactic. But I think just like any other company, you should buy them with the mindset that you're going to hold long term. Unless you're trading options and buying calls and puts, there should be no reason to really be concerned if you buy in and it drops. So one of the main reasons why Virgin Galactic is up right now is because 2 analysts upgraded their ratings and now Virgin Galactic is set at a buy rating. So the first rating came from Bank of America and it was from an analyst named Ron Epstein. And according to Ron, he said that no other company that their firm covers has anywhere near comparable growth potential as Virgin Galactic does. And then the second rating came from a guy named Charles and he upgraded his rating to a buy. And this is based on the belief that demand for space travel is really going to increase in the future. And you can't really blame him because I think that's where we're going to go into the future. I think everything is going to be a lot quicker and people will want to travel around the world as fast as they can. And that's exactly what the goal of Virgin Galactic is right now. They want to make travel much quicker than it is right now. And according to Market Watch, there's actually 7 analysts covering Virgin Galactic right now, and all of them have a buy rating on Virgin Galactic with an average price target of $25.43. So even if you were to buy in right now at $22.30 that Virgin Galactic is trading at right now, if they continue going up and they hit that $25.43 mark, you'll see a pretty nice return on your money, depending on how much you invest. And I think long term, Virgin Galactic should definitely go much higher than $25. Because if you just think about their business model, there's really nothing like that right now. They're trying to make high-speed space travel a plausible thing and greatly reduce the amount of time it takes to travel from one area to another. But there is one thing to kind of watch out for or kind of keep an eye on as you're investing in Virgin Galactic. Because according to the average analyst estimate, Virgin Galactic is going to lose $1.21 per share in the fiscal year of 2020. And then in 2021, that will be reduced down to 69 cents. And these aren't super terrible numbers because you have to keep in mind they're looking to send people into space. So the growth potential for Virgin Galactic is pretty much infinite, at least as of right now because their share price is so small. And right now, the addressable market for Virgin Galactic and who they aim to make their customers right now, they have a total of about 2.4 million high net worth individuals. And I don't remember exactly how much these individuals had as an average income or as an average net worth, but I think it was somewhere between $1 and $5 million of net worth per individual. Now I could be wrong, but I think it's somewhere around that $5 million mark per individual. And if that's the case, if they're targeting people who are multimillionaires, who are willing to pay greater amounts of money to travel faster, well, think of all the potential for Virgin Galactic in the future. Right now, their addressable market is these high net worth individuals, but if they can make this space travel and aim to target lower net worth individuals, maybe below that $1 million mark, well then their business should just continue going up. Because I could see this turning into the new airplane. Back when airplanes first came out, and private jets and things like that, that was only for people who had a very high income or a very high net worth. And then fast forward 20, 30, 40 years, and now everybody's flying on planes. And fast forward to today, and you can buy an airplane ticket for about $50 depending on the day, and you can travel across the country for $50. Now obviously you're not always going to find a $50 airplane ticket, but I hope you understand what I'm saying, how this space travel and hyperspeed travel should become available to the average market, I would say in the next 10 to 20 years or so. And so if you're investing in Virgin Galactic for the long term, if this becomes available to the average person in the next 10 or 20 years, Virgin Galactic will be like the new Boeing but on steroids. So just imagine what the stock could do with that as a potential in the future. And I personally think right now is as good of a time as any to invest in Virgin Galactic. Now maybe you want to wait until they pull back a couple dollars. If you're going to be investing in them with a nice chunk of money, a couple dollars for the share price could really make a big difference. But people are always trying to find the next Tesla and the next stock that's going to blow up and 10x their money. Now I don't think Virgin Galactic could do it in a short amount of time, but long term, I think Virgin Galactic is a very good play to make. And there's really no way that Virgin Galactic wouldn't really succeed, because they would have to have a pretty big catastrophe or something bad go wrong to affect their business, because they're definitely in it for the long term. This isn't just a short-term business model. They want to create space travel and make it available to the public. So I think if you're going to invest in Virgin Galactic, you should do it probably sooner rather than later. Now obviously I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not saying that you need to invest in Virgin Galactic or that you should, but if you were going to, I wouldn't continue waiting, because you never know what could happen for Virgin Galactic in the next year or two. Something else to keep an eye on is that in October, they're going to be testing a new flight. And so if everything goes well and that's very successful, you could definitely see Virgin Galactic's share price increase a lot. And it might not hold at whatever it bumps up to, but as long as Virgin Galactic keeps testing new flights and improving their technology, I think the share price should just go up on a very steady trend. And especially long term, if this becomes available to the public and not just these high net worth individuals, that's when we should see the share price go up and through the roof. So for those of you who are invested in Virgin Galactic right now, let me know how many shares you have down in the comments and what your average share price is. I'm curious if you guys are invested in Virgin Galactic or if you guys are all just Neo fans, because it seems like you guys really love the Neo videos. So I'm curious if you guys are invested in Virgin Galactic as well. So let me know down in the comments. Also, if you guys haven't signed up for Webull yet, make sure you sign up and fund your account $100, because you'll get 2 free stocks, both worth between $8 and $1,600. So just for signing up and depositing $100, you get $16 guaranteed, and possibly a lot more. So make sure you sign up and claim your free stocks. Also, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, because it really does help out the channel. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next one. Bye.